Holy sand. Look at all the sand. Whee! Just riding the tracks of the vehicle. No need to freak out.
So that is exactly why I promote dirt courses all the time. If you're able to take any dirt course, you learn how to be comfortable being uncomfortable. You learn how to slip and slide and not freak out and how to manage that and just be aware of like, okay, the bike's going to shift. How do the handlebars go? What do I need to do with the throttle? How should my body be? What's the best position to handle that? And this is so incredibly beneficial for street riding, just like right here, riding in the rain. There's been so many times like the first clip where I'm going through and all of a sudden there's just dirt, right? So you have to know how to manage that, and dirt bike course is the way to do it. And then this is just a little clip of me riding around on my previous Honda, right? Just kind of doing figure eights, brake sliding into power sliding. Again, the same thing, just practicing slipping and sliding and getting used to the bike wiggling around. It's so incredibly beneficial. So SoCal Supermoto, Moto Ventures, American Super Camp. American Super Camp travels around the United States, but whatever course is available in your area, highly recommended. Take as many dirt courses as you can.